Today let's see how to download and install StarUML. So you can go to any of the browser and type StarUML. So you are going to get this star icon along with staruml.io site. Click on download. When you click on download, you will see this window. So it is going to give you all the operating options for operating systems. You can use Mac OS. If you are using Apple, if you are using Windows, you can go here. If you are using RPM, you can go there. So I am using Windows. So I will click on Windows. Once I click on Windows, the exe downloading starts. So go to the downloads. You can see the StarUML setup. So if you click on that StarUML setup, your StarUML will be installed. After installation, the StarUML opens by itself. You will get a evaluation mode. So if you want to buy the software, you can click on buy now. Otherwise, you can just close this. So this is how we install StarUML onto your system if we are using Windows operating system. Thank you.